If you're anything like me, maybe you've been thinking about getting outside of the city, get away from that hustle and bustle, somewhere with a little more space for the kids to run, play, and explore. Maybe somewhere you can embrace that country lifestyle.
Dude, country life comes at you quick. If you're looking for that turnkey rural package, updated inside and out, we have that and more on today's episode.
Now let's face it, Adam, we're all guilty of it. You know, it's the time to get out of the hustle and bustle of the city, carve out our own little piece of country paradise, a little slower pace of living and a quieter lifestyle. I love the idea of it. It's just so hard to find a complete turnkey package of a home that comes along with it. But let me tell you, that's exactly what we have to showcase for you today. We are here on Line 4 North in Oro-Medonte. You know what that means? 2 minutes out to the highway, 5 minutes into the city of Barrie, and an hour into the city of Toronto. This location cannot be beat. But let's talk about recreation and lifestyle for a moment. We're 5 to 10 minute drive to some of the best golf courses Simcoe County has to offer. And at the end of Line 4, you're right out into Lake Simcoe. When it comes to recreation, this property simply cannot be beat. This is 1.5 acres of pure perfection.
That's right, Scotty. This one's gonna check all the boxes for a lot of people. And the reason why is because it's incredibly rare to find a property of this size that's in this condition, right? Every square inch of this property is usable and it's manicured, and all the work here is already done for you. It starts with this massive asphalt driveway in behind me here. Look at the exterior landscaping on the house as well. You have unistone patios everywhere, as well as armor stone retaining walls and gardens. Absolutely beautiful job here by the current owners, guys. But it also continues on into the inside as well, right? All of the cosmetics have been updated within the last couple of years, plus the big ticket mechanical items have been taken care of here too, so you don't have to spend the money on doing them. This one truly is a real estate unicorn, one of a kind turnkey home here, guys. If you want the good life, you can have it all at 165 Line 4 North.
Now I know you're dying to get inside this incredible home, and I assure you we will get there, and it is indeed worth the wait. But what farmhouse is complete without an epic front porch? And boy, do we deliver there. Not only is it grand in size, it's completely covered and finished in tongue and groove pine. Not only that, we're rounded out with ceiling fans, and a gorgeous glass railing system allow you to enjoy every aspect of this beautiful treed lot. The ideal spot to start the day with that morning cup of coffee, or to wrap up the end of the day with that evening glass of wine overlooking this sunset. Let me assure you, you're about to log some serious hours on this front porch.
Now, how did I know I was gonna find you drinking on the porch? Now guys, we said both the interior and exterior of this home had been extensively updated, and the best is yet to come. Follow me inside. Welcome inside to the heart of this home, guys, in this incredible, modern, updated farmhouse kitchen. Now I know what you're asking yourself, how can a farmhouse built in the 1800s have a kitchen like this? Well, this is part of a 2-story addition that not only gives this home ample size, but it also allows for this modern feel. And the current owners have hit absolutely every nail on the head when it came to refinishing this area. You have walnut countertops, which are accented by the window bench, as well as in the ceiling, plus quartz, which blends in seamlessly, not to mention modern flat front cabinetry, as well as stainless steel appliances, and my favorite, these incredible oversized 24 by 24 concrete look tiles. This is truly the perfect space for entertaining. You're gonna love to do it here. This guy with the booze again.
Hey, it's not just about the booze. I'm working out there. That's because this side entrance flows seamlessly off the kitchen, the ideal spot to man that barbecue. And let's not kid ourselves, when the barbecuing's done, we're all headed to the dining room, the heart of the home, in my opinion. Follow me and check this out. Now in my mind, dining rooms are warm and inviting, and nothing adds to that like a Napoleon wood-burning fireplace. This is truly a spectacular setting. It's finished off an engineered, hand-scraped hardwood flooring that flows through the main level. In addition to that, we've got spectacular views through all these windows over the Oro rolling hills. It's truly something your guests, friends, and family are gonna love. We got all kinds of room for those large harvest tables that I know you're gonna have here, but let's face it, the night doesn't end with the dining room. Follow me and we'll show you what's next.
Now, who we kidding, Scotty? Normally our evening does end after a big meal, but if you don't want it to, what better place to continue on than in this incredible living room? Now, the first thing that strikes me about this property, guys, when you walk in, is just how big all of the principal rooms are, which give it this incredible modern feel. It's highlighted by these 9-foot ceilings on the main level, and this level is rounded out by an updated 2-piece bath. But there's plenty more to love about this space. Let's get on upstairs and check it out.
Those incredible room sizes don't stop on the main level either. Here we are in the primary wing of the second level. Thanks to that second story addition Adam mentioned earlier, you've got a tremendous space up here. Again, so rare to find in a home of this vintage. In addition to that, you got those gorgeous farmer's field views from all angles in here. Now, we didn't forget about the rest of the family. We've got 2 more spacious bedrooms at the end of the hall that the kids and guests are gonna love. And then my personal favorite, we've got a 5-piece spa-like ensuite. Again, getting the soaker tub, the glass walk-in shower, and a double vanity. You never see this stuff in a farmhouse.
Well, folks, thus concludes the tour of this beautiful home. Thanks for stopping by. I know for all you folks shopping in Oro, it's all about the exterior of these properties. The garage storage, the outbuildings, well, we have you covered there too.
So why don't we start with what's attached to the home? We've got this incredible oversized double car garage with a single car entry plus inside access to the home. This is the ideal space for all your dry storage or possibly the home for all those recreational toys you're thinking of. And keeping with the modern farmhouse vibes here, we got a newly installed Tesla charger that comes along with it.
Now let's talk about what's detached from the property. This incredible 25 by 30 foot detached shop was constructed in 2018, has its own heat and hydro. This will be the spot to store all of those toys, not to mention where we'll find you most of the time.
Now, not only is this space functional, it's also gorgeous. Yeah, I'm talking about the inside of a shop here, gorgeous. Shiplap walls, we got barn board ceilings. It's fully insulated plus Maibec siding on the outside, not to mention it comes fully equipped with the car lift. Now you're gonna be able to fit all the toys and some on this one. Oh, come on, how good is this spot right here to relax and unwind after a long, busy day? It's peaceful, it's tranquil, and it's picturesque. I challenge you to find a more relaxing space to unwind than right here.
All right, Scotty, I think it's finally time for that drink. Now, as we have our nightcap, let's do a little recap on this incredible property.
That's right, we're talking 2,200 square feet of meticulously updated and turnkey farmhouse, just shy of 1.5 acres of manicured lot with landscaping and the whole 9 yards, 5 minutes to Barrie, 1 hour to Toronto. Incredible property. They do not come available very often.
That's right, Scott, and this one is fully done inside and out here, guys, with some great extras we might add as well, like a brand new Tesla charger or a car lift, or this absolutely incredible cedar sauna. Perfect way to end the evening. We are the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Simcoe County. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.